this is like the serious one.
Magnum.
Oh, you have
Oh, the Meg.
I don't think it's a 3-inch though. Was it or?
Yeah, that's 3.5.